Imagine a world where your favorite video game doesn't just react to your moves, it anticipates them. What if the enemies you face weren't just scripted characters, but entities learning from your every action? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. This is the new frontier of gaming, powered by artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving deep into how AI is secretly shaping the future of gaming. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at games the same way again. To truly appreciate how far we've come, we need to take a quick trip down memory lane. Remember the days of Pong? Simple, predictable gameplay, left, right, bounce. That was the essence of early gaming AI, if you could even call it that. But fast forward to today, and we're witnessing something extraordinary. From rudimentary code to sophisticated adaptive algorithms, AI in gaming has evolved into a force that's reshaping the entire industry. Back in the day, AI was all about pre-programmed behavior. Enemies would follow set patterns, and the challenge was in learning those patterns. But today's AI isn't just about reacting, it's about learning, adapting, and even predicting what the player will do next. And that's where things get really interesting. So, how exactly does AI go from being a bunch of lines of code to becoming a formidable opponent, or even a helpful ally in a game? Enter machine learning, a subset of AI that's making games smarter in ways we never thought possible. Machine learning allows AI to learn from data. In gaming, this data comes from players. Every move, every decision, every mistake. Over time, the AI uses this data to adapt its strategies, making it more challenging, more realistic, and, in some cases, even more human-like. Imagine playing against an AI that remembers how you outsmarted it last time and adjusts its tactics to counter you. That's not just challenging, it's exhilarating. But here's the kicker. Machine learning doesn't stop at just improving enemy AI. It's also used in procedural content generation, meaning entire levels, worlds, and experiences can be created on the fly, tailored to your playstyle. It's like having a game that builds itself around you every time you play. All right, let's get specific. How is this AI magic being used in the games we love today? Take Middle-earth, Shadow of Mordor, for example. It introduced the revolutionary Nemesis system, where enemies remember your encounters, hold grudges, and even evolve based on your interactions. Every enemy is unique, with their own personality and history with you, thanks to AI. Or consider No Man's Sky, where an entire universe, with over 18 quintillion planets, was procedurally generated using AI. Each planet has its own ecosystem, weather patterns, and life forms, all crafted by machine learning algorithms. It's like stepping into a living, breathing galaxy that's constantly evolving. And let's not forget about The Last of Us Part 2, where AI-driven characters exhibit realistic behaviors, flanking, communicating, and adapting to the chaos of combat in ways that make them feel unsettlingly human. So, what does the future hold for AI in gaming? Well, we're only scratching the surface. Picture this: AI-driven game masters in RPGs that tailor the storyline to your decisions in real time. Imagine NPCs that not only follow scripts, but develop relationships with the player based on previous interactions, evolving over the course of the game. Virtual reality is another frontier where AI is poised to make a huge impact. Imagine a VR world where every character, every environment, and every challenge is dynamically generated and responds to your every move and decision. It's not just immersion, it's a personalized adventure crafted by AI. And then there's the potential for AI in player support. Instead of static tutorials, what if you had an AI companion that learned how you play and offered tips tailored specifically to your style? The possibilities are endless and incredibly exciting. Now, with all this power, there's an important conversation to be had about the ethical implications of AI in gaming. If AI can adapt and learn, what happens when it starts to blur the lines between human and machine intelligence? Could AI-driven games become too difficult, too manipulative, or even too addictive? Game developers will need to navigate these waters carefully, balancing the excitement of AI-driven experiences with the responsibility to ensure that these technologies enhance, rather than exploit, our gaming experiences. It's a conversation that's just beginning, and one that gamers, developers, and tech enthusiasts alike will need to be a part of. We're living in an incredible time for gaming, where AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer, quite literally. From making enemies smarter and worlds richer, to crafting personalized gaming experiences, AI is transforming how we play in ways we're only beginning to understand. So, the next time you pick up your controller or slide on that VR headset, take a moment to appreciate the AI working behind the scenes, shaping your adventure in ways you might not even notice. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of AI and gaming, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting content, and drop a comment below. What do you think is the most exciting AI development in gaming? I'd love to hear your thoughts.